All right, a company reached out to me wanting to know if I wanted to review their jump starter. So I said, sure. So here it is. Let's get into it. All right, here it is. Let me see if I can get the camera over here and show you a little bit better. All right, this is it a little bit better, I guess. It's the model, I guess, E-Power 155 Pro. Like always, if you need to see this stuff any longer, just pause the video, right? That's pretty much the same thing. Peak current, look at that, 3,000 amps. Charge time, 5-10 hours. That's cool. All right, so let me get this box opened up and get into it a little better. Okay, comes with a charging cord. I don't know what that is, I guess USB to USB-C, whatever. Now let's see. See if you can read this. Hopefully you can. I don't know if that'll focus in on that or not, but that's what they are. That's where you charge it. Two USBs and then the charging port to charge this unit. And then over here on the side, can you see that? That's where the cable's hooked to that you hook to the battery. And it comes in a cool carrying case, unlike the other one that I reviewed. This is pretty awesome. And you hold the light on, or the light button, and it even has a light, a flashlight. So that's cool. I guess the power button, I don't know. So let me get this hooked up and see what it says. Okay, here's the thing that hooks to the unit. Now, and it has some information there on it that might be important. I don't really know if I like that big old honking thing sticking out the side like that. And the cables are not very long. So hopefully, wherever you got to hook to the battery at, you'll have a place to set the unit, maybe on the battery or in between, the terminals. I don't know. And the negative cable is way shorter than the positive one. Well, not way shorter, but it is shorter. See? They're not very long. Pretty good clamp though. You get that over there. So it can't be very far apart, that's for sure. Let me unhook it from the unit and show you what I'm talking about. You can't have a battery any bigger than that. And I guess you could always hook the positive to the battery in the ground wherever, right? I don't know. But as you can see, comes in a cool case. Cables go up here. Of course, the unit goes down here. Comes with a book. Yes, I'm going to read the book. I wish the other one would have came with a case like this. This is cool. So let me read a little bit on it and come back with my final thoughts. I don't have a battery or a car with a, or even my lawnmower with a dead battery, so I don't have anything to test this to see if it actually works. I wish I did. In the other video, it just so happens that a family member was at the store and their battery went dead, so I was able to use it. So, don't really know how I can test that. I have to do another video whenever I need to jump something off, right? So anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to show you the page in the book that shows you what it looks like when the unit is actually hooked to a battery. Now let's see, somewhere I seen, let me look real quick, see if I can find it again. There it is right there. That's how long it takes to charge the battery. Depending on what wattage you have it hooked to, or what watt charger. 5 watt says it takes 13 hours to recharge. That's a long freaking time. That's if it's all the way completely dead though. 10 watt, 6.5 hours. 15 watt, 4.5 hours. Of course, I'm sure you just read that, right? Anyway, so that's pretty cool. I did not pay for this. They sent it to me to review, so thank you very much. Don't really know how I can review it if I don't have a battery or a car to start that has a dead battery, right? So I may have to do another video on it. I don't know. Anyway, seems to be a pretty good unit other than I got it plugged in to charge it. It says it's 90% charged. I'm going to leave the little protective film on it too. I'm going to put this one in my wife's car and I got the other one in my truck. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can get that over here. That's the name of it right there. Let's see. Let me get out of the way. Zoom, zoom. Can you see that? Anyway, what did I do with the box? Over here. Well, I guess it don't actually have the name yet. It does right there. Okay. Well, until I have a car to jump off with it to actually test it and see if it works, that's all I got for this video. I mean, it says it'll work. We'll see. And of course, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.